Today I'll be making Nashville Walleye, just like the chicken, only with walleye. First things first, you'll want to wash your fillets and make sure that there is no bones in it. Once done, pat dry. Here I'm using some cayenne pepper, some black pepper, some paprika, and some salt. I'm also using half a cup of flour. Mix it all together. You can add more cayenne pepper if you prefer, it's a good base. Add 1 egg, a quarter cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Again, mix well. Get your oil ready if you haven't started yet. I like to cut the fillets into smaller pieces as I like to dip them, as you will see later on. Put fillets in egg wash. Once completely covered, add to flour mixture and then put aside. Once done, put into the hot oil. Cook till golden brown or red, depending on how much hot sauce you used. Once done, enjoy. I like to dip it into ranch sauce, just like a hot wing. Nothing beats a true Nashville chicken, and this walleye is very, very close.